Struggling to lose weight or just want to feel lighter and healthier? Welcome to Daily Dose of Health. Today, we're sharing 10 science-backed weight loss drink recipes that boost metabolism, curb cravings, and taste amazing. These are perfect for everyone, including seniors looking for natural remedies. Stick around to discover your new favorite drink, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly wellness tips. Before we dive in, a quick note. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. These drinks work best with a balanced diet and exercise. Like the strength training tips we shared last week, let's get started with our first recipe. First up, the green tea citrus blast. Steep 1 green tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Add a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. This drink's catechins boost metabolism by up to 5%, according to studies, and the caffeine gives you energy for workouts. Limit to 2 cups daily to avoid caffeine jitters. Next, the apple cider vinegar tonic. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Drink it 15 minutes before meals to stabilize blood sugar and curb appetite. Studies show it can help you lose 2 to 4 pounds over 12 weeks. Use a straw to protect your teeth. Our third drink is the ginger lemon detox. Grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, steep it in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes, then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Ginger aids digestion and may reduce hunger, while lemon keeps you hydrated. Perfect for mornings. Check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners. Feeling parched? Try the cucumber mint cooler. Blend half a cucumber with 5 mint leaves and 12 ounces of water, then stir in a teaspoon of lime juice. Cucumbers are 95% water, keeping you full and hydrated, while mint soothes digestion. This low-calorie refresher is great for hot days. Watch for mint allergies. Number 5 is the protein berry smoothie. Blend 1 scoop of unsweetened whey or pea protein with half a cup of frozen berries, 8 ounces of almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Protein curbs hunger, and studies show it boosts weight loss by up to 10%. Perfect post-workout, but check for berry allergies. Warm up with the spiced chai tea latte. Steep a black tea bag with cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom in 8 ounces of hot water. Then add a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. The spices stabilize blood sugar, and the tea's caffeine boosts metabolism. Limit to 2 cups daily due to caffeine. Next, the celery juice refresher. Blend 2 celery stalks, half a green apple, and 8 ounces of water, then strain and add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Celery's low calories and high water content promote fullness, and apples add fiber. A 2017 study found veggie juice drinkers lost 4 pounds more. Avoid if on diuretics. Brighten your day with hibiscus iced tea. Steep a tablespoon of dried hibiscus petals in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes. Then add a teaspoon of honey and some orange zest. Hibiscus may reduce fat accumulation, and it's super hydrating. Limit to 2 cups if you're on blood pressure meds. Our 9th drink is the matcha metabolism booster. Whisk half a teaspoon of matcha powder in 8 ounces of hot water, then stir in a 1/4 cup of unsweetened coconut milk and a dash of vanilla. Matcha's antioxidants can boost fat burning by 17%. Limit to 1 cup if you're caffeine sensitive. Last but not least, chia fresca. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in 12 ounces of water for 10 minutes, then add a tablespoon of lime juice and a teaspoon of maple syrup. Chia's fiber expands to keep you full, and it's hydrating. Drink slowly to avoid digestive discomfort. To make these drinks work, sip them before meals to curb appetite or after workouts for recovery. Pair them with a diet rich in protein and fiber, and don't skip exercise. Try strength training twice a week, as we covered in our fitness series. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water daily to stay hydrated, and always choose fresh, natural ingredients for the best results. There you have it, 10 weight loss drink recipes to kickstart your health journey. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments and let us know how it goes. For more natural wellness tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We drop new videos every week. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.